My name's Scott Lovett. I'm the Chief Operating Officer here at Steves & Sons. We're excited to talk about our new improvements and advanced technology that we are employing at Steves & Sons. From a highly efficient paint booths at our MDF plant, sensors and lasers to detect quality issues at the source, technology to ensure quality and productivity, to trackability of our product through all stages of the operation so we can measure efficiency and throughput. Sustainability has always been important here at Steves & Sons. We have implemented RTOs and RCOs at Athens to scrub the air to emit zero emissions. We have processed water that we are regenerating so there will be zero carbon footprint. We want to share our advancements and technologies with our customers so that we can not only supply this generation of homeowners, but future generations to come.